While driving a pickup or truck, you must have thought about the protection of your cargo and the looks of your vehicle. The rising number of thieves in the urban areas has made the lives of people more miserable than ever. Therefore, why leave yourself susceptible to robbery when you can be safe and secured? The best way to keep your cargo protected is to purchase a tonneau cover for your pickup. It will not only keep your goods safe, but also give an elegant finish to your truck. To help you with your purchase, we have listed the top 5 tonneau covers for Tacoma and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpic.com. Number 5. YITAMOTOR Soft Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. I've always favored hardtop tonneau covers because my kids love hopping onto them. However, if you're like my brother who prefers a softer version while retaining a hard top's streamlined look, I recommend this tri-fold tonneau cover. Although this tarp cannot accommodate a full-grown person sitting on it, its exceptional construction should make it a comfortable platform for kids to lie down. The aluminum frame and crossbars create a sturdy framework that supports the PVC top and young children. I like its seamless design, eliminating unsightly creases or folds like other products. You get a smooth surface blanketing the 5-foot truck bed of a 2016 to 2022 Toyota Tacoma. I must caution you, this product won't fit the Trail Edition. Its design covers the truck bed surprisingly well. I can confidently say that this protects the interior from water ingress better than some hardtops. You'll feel more reassured with this cover. The issue? The clamp bolts are shorter than usual, making the fastening the hardware more of a chore. Unfortunately, the increased tension might lead to hardware failure in the future. I recommend replacing the bolts with longer ones. You will pay a bit more, but will make your installation easier. Otherwise, you can get an assistant to hold down the clamp while you tighten the bolt. It's not often you get a soft tonneau cover that mimics some remarkable qualities of hardtops. Unsurprisingly, many Tacoma owners find the product perfect for their adventures. Number 4. LEER FOLDITUP Fits 2016 to 2022 Toyota Tacoma. Most tonneau covers feature flimsy tarp that could rip apart if you're not careful. Surprisingly, this product has a more robust design than other products I've tried and tested. After running my fingers over the vinyl and examining the construction, I came to conclude that this tonneau cover has a better overall design than the last one my neighbor put into his 2018 Toyota Tacoma. The vinyl looks reassuring, while the reinforced corner braces gives this tonneau cover a perfect fit over the 5.2-foot truck beds of 2016 to 2022 Tacomas. I also find the design advantageous in opening and folding the tarp and effortlessly accessing my truck bed. I tried this on my truck and drove for 2 weeks in the rain. I'm surprised my truck bed remained dry the whole time. 2 things made me detract a star from this tonneau cover. First, I wish the company employed an editor and proofreader to create the installation guide. Second, the locking pins don't secure well, especially when driving beyond 60. Thankfully, these issues are cinched to address. You can try watching installation videos on YouTube or read online forums on the correct installation. As for locking pins, adding another level of security should prevent the tarp from flapping. Alternatively, you can be gentle with the gas pedal. This tonneau cover is a worthy option for Tacoma owners who want exceptional bang for the buck. Number 3. TruXedo TruXport Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. TruXedo TruXport is the best soft roll-up tonneau cover for Toyota Tacoma if you're looking for a cover that has a hassle-free mechanism. The soft roll-up covers from TruXedo are known to be the simplest when it comes to functioning. You can effortlessly operate TruXport with a single hand without worrying about holding any weight while opening and closing the cover. Though the cover is UV protected, you must remember that it can sag at extremely high temperatures. But with the help of a pre-tension adjuster, you can tighten it back to its original form. Other than that, it can adapt to different weather conditions easily. One thing we loved most about this soft roll-up cover is its leather-grained black vinyl material, which is breathable and does not let moisture seep in. Moreover, the TruXedo has cleverly constructed the top mount system which enables the cover to sit half an inch above the truck bed. For even better watertight performance, there are 4 rubber foam pads available in the package. In the manual guide, you won't find any instructions related to the foaming pads, but don't think they aren't important. Number 2. Gator EDX Soft Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Gator EDX Tri-Fold low-profile tonneau cover is specifically designed to fit any of the 2016 to 2019 Toyota Tacoma 5-foot bed models. If you want quick and convenient cargo protection but don't necessarily need the added security of a hardcover, this one's worth adding to your shopping cart. Whether your truck comes with or without bed liners, it doesn't call for any tools. All you should do is tighten the provided front and rear clamps, and you're good to go. And yes, it takes more than 10 minutes to get it done. The cover's tear-resistant vinyl is further supported by an aluminum frame and crossbows that add a touch of strength and durability. I like that it looks sleek, but at the same time feels robust and reliable, regardless of the weather conditions. The weather-tight sealing that's distributed throughout the entire perimeter of the cover proved to be excellent year-round protection. It managed to keep the cargo safe not only from rain, ice, and snow, but from dirt and dust as well. It doesn't provide access to the entire truck bed, which is a notable downside. You can secure the cover in an open position with the included buckles, but it only opens up 2/3 of the way, which might be an issue if you like full bed access. Number 1. BAK BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. BAK products are the star of the show in the Tacoma world. The MX4 in particular is one of the very few hard folding covers I've tested that offer a perfect balance of protection, flexibility, and simplicity in its design. The durability of the aluminum panels with a UV and scratch-resistant finish is the cover's main advantage. The fit on the tailgate is secure and provides a great deal of water resistance and protection against theft and the elements. Extreme conditions are where it performs the best. That's why I find it to be the perfect choice for truck owners who live a very active lifestyle and are always on the go. Not only can the cover stand up to pretty much any outdoor element imaginable, but allows partial or full truck bed access thanks to its trifold design too. Since the cover can be opened on either side without opening the tailgate and has buckle systems on each of the partial folds, as well as prop rods that secure it in an upright position, I found it super easy to get as much or as little truck bed access. It's one of the most convenient designs I came across lately. However, all that convenience comes at a price, and it's by no means a budget-friendly one, which is pretty much the only downside worth mentioning here. What is the best tonneau cover for your Toyota Tacoma? It's hard to say which of these is universally the best. It all depends on your criteria and what you're looking to get out of it. If you ask me, I'd tell you that the best one is BAK BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. It might be a bit pricier than the rest of the competition, but you really do get some extra features for your money. I always recommend saving a couple of extra bucks and putting it towards buying a better product for yourself. Don't think that this Tacoma tonneau cover review is here to sell your product, but it's here to help you pick the best one for yourself. At the end of the day, you're the one that's going to use it almost every day, so you should be satisfied with the quality of the product. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.